Unraveling the mystery of banjo head tightness. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into a rather unique phrase, banjo head tightness. Understanding such specific phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into the world of musical instrument maintenance. Let's decode this phrase together and make learning English a fun journey. First things first, let's break down the phrase. A banjo is a stringed musical instrument with a thin membrane stretched over a frame or cavity to form a resonator. The head of the banjo is this very membrane, similar to the skin of a drum. The term tightness refers to how taut or stretched this membrane is. So, when we talk about banjo head tightness, we are discussing how tight or loose the banjo's head is. This tightness is crucial because it significantly affects the sound quality, tone, and volume of the banjo. A tighter head produces a brighter, crisper sound, while a looser head gives a mellower, deeper tone. Understanding and adjusting the tightness of a banjo head is essential for musicians who want to achieve a specific sound or maintain their instrument in top condition. For language learners, knowing such specific terms can be incredibly useful, especially if you're interested in music, culture, or simply want to expand your vocabulary to include more niche areas. Banjo head tightness is not just a technical term but a gateway to understanding the intricacies of musical instruments and how small adjustments can lead to significant changes in sound. This concept is a perfect example of how specific terminology in English can lead to deeper knowledge in various fields. The term, banjo head tightness, might be used in conversations among musicians, in instructional videos, or in written guides about banjo maintenance. It's a phrase that underscores the importance of precision in music and craftsmanship. For English learners, encountering such phrases highlights the diversity of the language and its usage in different contexts, from casual conversations to technical discussions. It's a testament to English's vast vocabulary and its ability to adapt and grow with culture and technology. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of banjo head tightness. I hope this video not only expanded your vocabulary but also sparked your curiosity about musical instruments and the precision involved in their care. English is a rich and diverse language, full of phrases that connect us to a wide array of subjects and cultures. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.